Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your Gemini account password. If you can't log in because you forgot your password, don't worry, here's the fastest way to reset it securely on your iPhone. Open Google Gemini app and type sign in. On the login screen, type forgot password and then click on try another way. Now, if Google confirmed this phone is yours, this helps so that it's really you and to try to signing in. Then, if Google trusts you, then it will show you your password or recover your password or allows you to update your password. But if you have the option to enter the email address linked to your Gemini account, then enter it, then tap next. Check your email for a password reset link from Gemini, open it and follow the instructions to set a new strong password. Make sure it includes letter, numbers and symbols for better security. And then return to the Gemini app and log in with your new password. If you use two-step verification, complete that step as well. And then privacy tip, only reset your password through the official Google Gemini email and app. Avoid clicking on password reset links from suspicious emails or unknown sources. Quick fix, if you don't receive the reset email, check your spam or junk folder or tap the recent link. After a minute, if it still does not arrive, try again using a different network or check that you entered your correct email. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick, easy tech fixes like this.